Emily. This
I'm
is
Mark.
Mark.
This is Mini Mansion.
Mini Mansion Bus. We are from Missouri, and we would love for you to come inside. Take a look.
Come on in. Sorry, ladies first, huh?
Yeah. Ladies first.
Here, I'll let you tell everything about it.
Okay, so this is our little living room area here. We have doggy jail here for when we're traveling. This is our table here where we do work and eat, and stool there.
And we got this from a guy that...
Everybody asked us where we got it
Yeah,
from.
we got that from a guy that goes to estate sales, and he buys from people who pass away and for the estate sales, and then he had this slab, and we got this one and the one that we have above the sink over there. So, and this is my chair.
The recliner.
The recliner.
The
I gotta have
boy.
my rocker recliner.
And our sofa, it has storage underneath of it. It lifts up, and we've decided on this trip that we want to add a flip up so we both can lay here, just because it'd be more comfortable
to watch
for
TV.
us, I think. We have a propane heater. For now, we're probably going to get a dwarf stove from the folks who make the dwarf stove, so that's probably going to go. Our kitchen, have a little farm sink. These are just Home Depot cabinets, washer dryer combo. It's the best thing ever, right there. Just a little propane cooktop. That's all we need. We don't have an oven or anything, but it works for us. This is just a regular, I guess, apartment size fridge. It's 7.4 cubic feet. This runs on our solar.
The whole bus is wired 110, and then the solar can, converts it from 12 volt to 110.
Do you have any trouble with things opening while you're driving?
No, we have the heavy duty magnets here on everything, so that all stays very well.
It never opens.
Good idea.
Yeah.
So that all that stays. And our food is stored, our pantry food is stored in some of the drawers and stuff like that. This is our utility closet / hanging clothes closet. It's got we have a 20-gallon water heater and our solar batteries and our inverter, and all that's in there. And my mirror to get ready in the morning. This is our little potty. It's kind of a mess in there right now, but it's a regular RV toilet, and we use composting when we're here. We just have bags and peat moss and stuff like that we use here.
Turn the light on. Oh, see better. Move that.
Oh, wrong light. I guess that will work. In our bathtub, we have a 4-foot tub and shower, and we love that. And our bed is in the back. It's just a bed, TV. The bed goes, the head goes up and down, the feet go up and down. And then
you can see the TV.
way around here is my little vanity area. I sit on the butt of the bed and get ready there.
And second TV, because...
Yeah, and our little TV. And that's pretty much it. There's storage underneath the bed where we hold our fresh water is underneath the bed. And storage for our lawn chairs and stuff like that. But that is pretty much it.
Very nice.
Still under still under work.
Yep. So it's always a work in
Schoolies are
progress.
never done.
Yeah, they're never
done.
So.
But
Well,
we love it.
thank you.
Yeah,
You're
no
welcome.
problem.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie. And in the coming weeks, there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.